Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to do a product review on this finesse or wacky worm kit that I just acquired. And I want to kind of go through it, show you what's in it, tell you what I'm kind of excited about it, and what I'm looking forward to trying with that. So this finesse or wacky worm kit comes in a 3700 series box or tackle box, if you will. It has 4 hasps on it, and it comes, as you can see, it comes with a seal that's set on the inside of the lid that goes all the way around to help give you a better tight fit and keep the water out or keep the elements out of your gear. It comes with 6 different colors of worms. So these worms are 5.5 inches long. They're salt impregnated. And you get 8 of each color. So the colors that you have is you have your green pumpkin, you have your pearl, you have your watermelon and red flake, you have your black and blue flake, you have your June bug right here, this blue one, which I'm a big fan. Where I fish, the bodies of water I fish, I really love a blue colored worm. And you also get this chartreuse laminate one. So again, you have 6 colored worms, 8 of each color, right? The other great thing about this is if you don't like the way the kit is set up when you get it, you can move things around. You can combine colors. That would allow you to free up some storage space. These are all adjustable right here. So I can just, pull those out, and then I can add my own tackle in here. So I don't have to have a bunch of tackle boxes. I can just use this one tackle box, and I can adjust the compartment sizes because I get plenty of extra pieces to do that. It also comes with 100 O-rings. So you get 50 black and 50 red. And then it also comes with 30 hooks, which you get 1/0 and 3/0 sized hooks. Now, one of the things that's really cool about this that a lot of people may be or may not be familiar with when it comes to finesse worm fishing or wacky worm fishing is a lot of times you'll have to have a tool. You'll have to slide your worm into a tool to get the ring on. These, you can just put the ring over the tip, start pushing it back, and you can just use your fingers to slide it down anywhere you want it on the worm. You don't have to come back to your middle part here. You can, if you want to be dead center on the worm like I like to be, you could do that, or you can slide it all the way back here. What's great about back here in the back is they actually have a groove in all these worms that you can see. And that allows you to slide your hook in easily right under that groove and hold your hook. But again, you don't have to fish it that way. You can fish up here if you like. If that's wherever you like to have your ring, that's what you can do. Another great thing about this is you don't just have to fish this in a finesse style. You could also rig this up with a hook, go Texas rig. There's a lot of different ways that you can fish these baits. So it is a finesse kit, wacky worm kit, if you will. But you can fish these worms like lots of other worms if you desire to do so. The tackle box is 13.3 inches long, right? So we're 13.3 inches long. We're 8.2 inches wide, if you will, and 1.9 inches high right here. Why is that important? Well, one, it's a standard 3700 series box, which allows you to put it in, fit in like your compartments on your boat or wherever you have other 3700 series. But if not, this can fit in the back of a seat in a car or a truck. If you have a pocket or a bag on the back of your seat on a kayak, this can fit back there. I intend to just kind of store this underneath my seat in my kayak. But also would fit inside any storage that I've got going on my kayak. And I'm really excited to get this out on the water and catch some fish with it. Hope this helps.